What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, you're going to get to know more about the table of content of this course. So basically, I'm going to explain things that you're going to do, things that you're going to learn in each chapter. And as you guys can see here, in total, we have 10 chapters in this course. So hopefully, by the end of this video, you're going to have general understanding about things that you can expect to learn from each chapter. So let's get started. Alright, so the first chapter here, whom this course is intended for. So in the first chapter, we're going to answer these particular questions. Whom this course is intended for. So I'm going to explain my intention behind creating this course and who are my main target students for this course. And obviously, if you're interested in creating cartoon film using AI, definitely this is the right one for you guys. And we're going to talk about that more in the first chapter. Right, so let's talk about the second one here, AI tools and resources. I'm going to provide you with a list of tools and resources that we're going to utilize to create and edit our cartoon films. Right, there are like many different AI tools that we're going to utilize. We're going to use text to image generator, we're going to use ChatGPT, we're going to use AI animation tool, and also Fit.io, which is one of the best free editing software, right? So yeah, and don't worry, all tools that we're going to utilize in this project are completely free. So you're not going to spend any money, you don't have to pay anything for those tools, right? So yeah, that's the second chapter. Let's move on to the third one here, how AI can help you to create animations films. So we're going to talk about the general overview about cartoon filmmaking using AI, right? So how we combine all these things together, how we combine text to voice, text to image, content scripts, and even animation tools together to create a film, right? So we're going to see it from the big picture so you get the general understanding about what you're going to do in the project, right? So yeah, that's the third chapter. Let's move on to the next one here, the fourth chapter. So I'm going to guide you step by step on how to generate content ideas and outlines using ChatGPT. So you're going to learn effective prompts for ChatGPT to generate you content ideas for your film, right? So yeah, that's chapter 4. And chapter 5 here, it's going to be like the main component of this course, which is the project. So you're going to be fully guided step by step on how to create and also edit your first film, your first cartoon film, right? Using AI tools. We're going to be outsourcing vast majority of the works to AI. So yeah, that's chapter 5. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 6. We're going to learn how to design interesting thumbnail. Obviously, when it comes to content creations, when it comes to film creations, thumbnail is very important, guys. Reason why? Because that's going to be the first thing that your potential audience will see, right? If your thumbnail is interesting, then most likely they're going to click on it and watch your content or watch your film. But the exact opposite, if your thumbnail is not that interesting, right? If your thumbnail is just like regular ordinary thumbnail, then obviously you're not going to get a lot of clicks. So it's very essential for you to make sure that the thumbnail that you have is very interesting and also stimulate the curiosity of your potential audience, right? So yeah, that's chapter 6. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 7. So we're going to talk about which social media to post, right? So once you created your cartoon film, you might be wondering like which one, maybe Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, or where should I post my content? Where should I post my film, right? Where should I upload my film on? Well, we're going to be comparing TikTok and YouTube. All right, so we're going to have discussions about the algorithm, discoverability, monetization paths, and other relevant issues about these two platforms. Right, so that's chapter 7. Let's move on to the next one here, chapter 8. So once you already bought your cartoon film, obviously you want to monetize it, right? You want to find a way to potentially make a living of this business, right? So we're going to talk about several different monetization paths that you should consider, right? And the next one here, chapter 9, we're going to learn how to build and grow your audience. So once you already created your channel, or maybe you already start posting your content, start posting your cartoon films on social media, right? It's gonna be pretty challenging. It's gonna be pretty hard to get to your first 100K followers, 100K subscribers. So we're going to talk about several effective strategies that you should implement to build and grow your audience, right? Obviously, it's going to take time. It's not gonna happen overnight, but the thing that I can guarantee, if you're consistent about it, if you're consistent and you ensure the quality of your content, ensure the quality of your cartoon film, then obviously you're going to see result next couple of years, right? And chapter 10, I'm just gonna summarize all things that we've learned so far, and I'm also going to share you a few tips and tricks, few key takeaways on how to be a better cartoon filmmaker or how to be a better animators, right? And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.